You ready?
I don't know what you...
Are you ready?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, open your eyes.
Ah! Oh! I pressed yes, why?
Ah, boys. Oh, man.
Why you start out with that kind of intro? I don't understand.
Hello, everybody. This is Julian from JulianTechTM, and today I have... It's funny because even till now, you are still considered Ah Boys to Men actor.
No, I'm many things other than Ah Boys to Men actor.
Wait, no. When there's a controversy, even today, you'll be considered Ah Boys to Men actor did something.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to go reservist tomorrow.
Oh, no wonder you cut your hair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Since you're in Ah Boys to Men, I'm going reservist, and then a new movie coming out.
Ah Girl Go Army, yeah. Ah Girl Go Army.
We're not sponsored by them or anything, but I'm like, why not? We built a PC army style.
Ah, that's why you chose that theme. Okay.
Before we do that, we're gonna thank our sponsor for today, Aftershock. Because here's the thing, Ridhwan, they have sponsored you a PC.
Okay.
Yeah. They gave you all this.
So that goosebumps.
Hey, don't cry ah. Why you cry?
No, thanks.
This one itself is 1.5.
I don't even know what is this.
You say you know before
Graphic card.
graphic card, yes.
Hey, how long have I wanted a computer?
Exactly, you say you want a computer then. Okay.
This is last year.
Here's the thing. So I had to find like a theme that matches all this, and then I'm like, oh yes, I'm going reservist. Oh yes, the new movie coming out. Then we can tie it all together and we get our boys to men actor. Tada!
Okay, thank you. Okay.
We're going to build this PC. I'm going to ask you some questions about your Ah Boys to Men. There is a podcast with him talking about his Ah Boys to Men like journey already, so we're going to ask different questions.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
So, we're going to go through what are the components first, okay? The CPU is the Intel Core i7-12700F.
It is the part of the computer that is important.
You shut up. For RAM, we have like DDR4. So yes, although we have 12 gen, we're not using DDR5 because DDR5 is so rare and so expensive.
Okay.
We have 12 gen. You don't even understand.
Yes.
So we have a motherboard with the LG A1700 with the DDR4 instead of DDR5. I recommend you get DDR4 instead of DDR5 because it's just readily available. Graphic card, we have the RTX 3070.
Yes.
Zotac Gaming Twin Edge Edition.
Is this the most expensive part of the computer?
Yeah.
And this one is to make the graphic look very nice.
Yeah. Got a Gigabyte B660M DS3H AX DDR4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mothership is for it to put everything together, right?
Motherboard. Mothership. So please add the CPU.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what's the CPU, right?
CPU?
Take the CPU, yes.
It's my second time building a computer in my life. I know this one very fragile one.
Find the triangle on the CPU.
Huh? A triangle like this one, recycling. Sorry, that is...
Why is the plastic lah?
Sorry. Oh, this one is it?
It is lah, but there's a bigger one the other side. Yes.
It's so small, it's not big. What? This?
Find the triangle on the socket.
Oh, there. Okay, that means...
Okay, so means triangle to triangle.
So it's supposed to be like
this,
this, huh?
Okay, see this metal bar? Push down, go to the side, come out.
Push down.
Hard.
Hard.
It's because there's a lot of tension on this one.
Okay, hard.
Push down. Yeah, correct. Yes. Bring it up. Yeah. So it's like that. Like that.
Bola.
Bah! Okay.
So wait, now you flip it. I must flip it like this.
Yes, correct.
Correct. I remember the last time you said must put glue, haven't yet?
Not yet. What not glue? It's not glue. Alright, okay, so you're gonna grab it by the sides. Yes. Then we slot it gently, don't need to push. Look at your hands, man, shaking like mad $600 only, bro. In your video, you say make a lot of money, what? Okay.
Why? Why like that?
Oh, you spoiled it.
What?
Okay, next we will install the...
Is it the slot? This one?
What's this?
Correct. This is the memory.
So we have 2 sticks of 8 GB.
8 GB, 2 6, so it's equals to 16 GB.
Correct. Oh, mathematics.
I'm a computer genius.
Correct up.
Yeah, correct. I remember this part, I'm very scared to press. Can you show me that I do the other one? Why you do so fast one?
It's my 35th one already.
I can't see what I'm doing. Let me turn. Okay, I put my mic here. Yeah.
That's so unsatisfying, your. No ASMR. It's supposed to be like click click and then yours. Next, we're gonna do the NVMe SSD. Oh, okay, I ask you a question. Okay, I'll do the NVMe SSD. How was your actual NS experience? Because when you're doing Ah Boys to Men, right?
Yeah.
You haven't been to NS.
No.
Right?
No.
So how was your NS experience?
Not a very good experience because I think before NS, I went through a bit of my own fair share of bad news, It kind of brought unwanted attention and unwanted pressure for me, It was in the midst of like breaking up with my first girlfriend, getting through with my first drama online, and it's in front of thousands of people. Plus, my dad was like, I think my dad passed away.
Right.
It was bad news after bad news, and it was in my army life, so it was really not as sweet as Ah Boys to Men, I would say. I prefer being in Ah Boys to Men than serving my national service, but it was really tough.
I think especially for you, because you're so much drama, Ah Boys to Men actor, I think you kinda target a lot.
I would say, what's the irony? In the movie, there's this scene that many people know about, which is I kena tiomak.
Yeah, do the face. Do the face.
And like,
100% maximum effort. Come on. You tiomak.
So I think it was like a foreshadow to my real experience in the army.
It's very interesting because our NS experience is very different.
He's like the commando.
I'm a commando. I'm going to reservist next week. I mean tomorrow.
My only commando I do is like if I forgot to do my laundry, then I wear shorts without my panties, my underwear.
Yeah, so it's like I'm PES B, but it's basically PES A. So I go through BMT, I went through commando training, I jump off the plane, and then basically in the office, right?
I would say I want to jump off from reality lah. I just didn't like how reality was for me. I think the pressure was immense.
How do you think the new movie is gonna be?
I'm excited. I'm excited to watch Color.
Color?
Because I met her through SPOP. Recently I joined that competition.
Right. Yeah. So SPOP, right? Do you join to get girls also?
No!
For context, right? The reason why he joined Campus Superstar is because he wanted to meet a Chinese girl.
I wanted to check out girls, and when I was young, I was going through puberty. But SPOP time, I really wanted to know whether I can stand as a musician, whether I can really sing, or I'm just a guy who many people know me, but cannot sing.
And you went through to the finals.
Yeah, which is shock, Aftershock.
How was the experience?
Fun. Met JJ Lin, and he was like, Ridhwan, you gotta let the song speak to you.
Okay, I need to get the thermal paste.
Thermal paste, yeah, that's the glue-looking thing, right? I'm a computer genius. I remember it's A. Sorry, what? Must put A.
A for Avengers,
No, Aftershock. Just make sure it doesn't spill.
Don't need to put too much, so you don't have to. Yeah. Nice. Good consistency. Okay, stop. Woo! Very nice.
The other side.
Okay, yeah, the other side. Nice. Ooh. Looking good. Nice. You can join the X-Men already. Or Ice Age.
What Ice Age? Because I look like Sid, is it? Wow.
It's yours, eh?
I mean, just what I'm processing. Like wow.
Everything is done for now. What's next, Ridhwan?
Cover a case.
Correct!
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna get the case. Before we get the case, it's in my room lah. So you close your eyes first. Okay, close your eyes. So here's the story behind this case. I did a poll on Insta Story to pick a MATX case. So there were the Corsair X280 Dynamic Mini NZXT, and there was this case, and this was the worst case that people like. No one liked this, but someone messaged me, and Ridhwan, you can open your eyes.
You said worse, then I open my eyes. What?
Yes.
You said the worst.
Like no one liked this case, but someone messaged me. Open your eyes, Ridhwan. You wanted this case.
Ah, yeah.
You wanted this case.
Oh, I pressed yes. Or?
Yes, you pressed yes. You didn't just press yes. You text me and you gave me a heart-shaped eyes or something like that. You're like, you wanted this case. Aftershock didn't sponsor this. I bought this myself.
I reacted to you.
Yes.
I thought it was. I really Sorry, am I too loud? Sorry, no.
No worries.
You see my Insta story reaction? I thought you didn't respond to me.
I respond, bro. You forgot.
But I know I saw this.
Right.
On the Insta
Remember
story.
this, right? Why do you like this?
It looks cool. But why nobody likes this?
No one liked it. I make dream come true. Like, that's the thing about PC. Okay, it's not about whether the majority like. It's whether client like, and you can see from the reaction.
I love it.
Yeah. Another surprise. Close your eyes.
What?
I hope you like it.
Okay.
Because I didn't do a good job, and I can redo it next time. Because I'll tell you why I didn't do a good job.
Why you always start with the it's not ugly, it's not a good job? Then
Your expectation, okay? The camera can't see it properly, but because I want him to see it in a good angle. Okay, you ready? You ready?
I don't know what you.
Are you ready?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, open your eyes.
Ah!
What do you think?
Nice.
Okay, here's the problem.
What?
Okay, I didn't get proper spray paint.
Oh.
I got a small bottle.
Okay.
Wasn't enough to do the whole thing. So the back, right, never finished.
Wait, oh, that's why you never.
Yeah, I never show you the back. You see the back, like here.
Oh, okay. But it's the same as that.
Yeah, it's the same as that.
Okay.
So what I did right was I put a leaf and I spray.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, the initial idea right was to try to do digital camo, but I didn't have the cool. I didn't have the tools to do it.
Yeah.
So that's why I was saying like maybe in 6 months, 1 year time, we can get back this PC and then we redo.
Yeah, cool.
What do you
Don't you think this shape looks like a tank?
Yeah.
Why you show them this? Show the nicer part. So it looks like it's gonna attack you. You know, it looks like it's ready for war.
Like been through war already. That's like rubber. Let me add this for you. Make sure. Oh my god.
What?
Oh no.
What? Oh no.
The CPU cooler is too big for this case.
The CPU cooler is too big.
I have an extra AIO lah, so I'll give you the AIO.
Okay.
Okay, we cut.
Moments later.
Basically what happened was the CPU cooler was too big for this case, so I added my personal CPU cooler because someone need to have this case. So I've done the front panel connectors. What's next?
Manage the wire, is it?
No.
Then cover. And this one?
Nope.
This one?
Nope.
This one? This one?
Ah! Oh my god! Finally! Yeah. Wow, this case really damn cheap this case. This case sucks so bad. This is old school case oh my god. Modern cases now, this part is covered so that you don't see the PSU. And you see there's no ventilation here. By right, it's supposed to be like that, right? And then the cables can be flushed. So because of this case, I have to put it the other way so that it's not like sucking nothing.
Okay.
So there's like a long way the cables need to go.
Yeah.
Ridhwan, you and your stupid choices. Always.
You posted the Insta story. I liked it. They're like, okay.
Always.
Later.
Yeah, please unbox your RTX 3070. Oh,
What?
cool story. It's our good moment.
Oh, yeah, it's a
So
Julian.
I chill him go clubbing. Zouk, the old Zouk, not at the Clarke Quay. I was talking to these fine ladies. Then he's like talking to other people. Talk. Okay, this is my perspective. Talk. Hey, whoa! Then you see Ridhwan on the floor, nose bleeding. Someone punched him.
Yeah.
I saw the person punch him. I went to that person that punched Ridhwan, and then people start punching all of us, right? Like everywhere punch us.
I don't know who.
Like suddenly, rain of punches everywhere. And then one guy go, you punch me, is it? Like he's pointing at me. Then I go, yeah, why? You punch my brother, what? I remember like drunk, and then it's like, then he go, you want 1v1 or not? Then we got pulled out by the bouncers. Okay, so that was my perspective. I want to hear your perspective. I know your perspective.
Okay.
But what happened?
Basically, he took a photo that was like, I was looking very unglam.
Basically, he was unglam and he took a picture with a shoe next to his face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then after that, he felt very proud of it with a lot of likes on Facebook. Then I'm like, okay, good for you. There's a lot of likes, but then do you know why is there a lot of likes on your photos? I told him. Then he said, what? Why? Huh? Why? I said, there's a lot of likes because you got my face, but if it's just your face, there wouldn't be many likes. Then he's not happy. He's like, well, you want to fight? Then I said, no, I don't want to fight. Then he just threw a punch. And then I was like hit, then I went down. I went up again, and then I was like bleeding, and then after that, Julian came in, hey!
Yeah,
And then it was like 5 people. He was with 5 people because maybe he had 5 friends.
So the story is this. So apparently there's other people there that I recently met, and they said they were the one punching, and they don't know what happened. They just started punching.
So they didn't know.
Yeah, they didn't even know that guy. So okay, so this guy, right, he's such an idiot. So it's like Ridhwan said, I don't want to fight, then he just punch you.
Yeah.
Fast forward later, police came. Then we made a report. I said my part, he said his part. The police officers talked to the other guy also, this Ah Beng, let's call him Ah Beng lah.
Yes.
So in front of the police officers, he goes up to me. Hey, you punch me, is it? And I go, yeah. Because you punch him what? 1v1? In front of the police officers. I'm just like looking at the police officers like, like, serious?
Yeah, he was very young.
Yeah,
he
he's
was
like
super young.
Like what? Like are you like how stupid can you be? You know, like in front of police officers, you 1v1. It's just not logical lah. Then the police officers like, come, we talk to you, and then he come back. Okay.
That was fun.
That was fun. Fun times.
Here we go. Graphic card. It's a Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX. How do I call it?
I mean, the proper name is like NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Zotac Gaming Twin Edge OC edition lah.
Yes.
This bad boy costs about 1.5k.
Oh.
Sponsored by
Aftershock.
you better do posting,
Yes, I'm gonna be loyal to Aftershock now. Thank you. Oh, the last time when I put a graphic card, it doesn't look like this big.
Oh no! Tell me this one is too fat. Bro, your case really big problem, man. I think what we can do is put it from the back because you can't put it from the front.
Yeah.
Problematic, yeah, this case.
Okay, is this the worst case I ever worked with?
For this channel, yes. For NOC Tech, there was one worse. Okay, put this in. Like that first. There we go.
Oh.
And then we put in.
Press,
Press.
1, 2.
Press. Harder. Nice. Okay. Hold it. Hold it.
Okay.
Haven't finished.
Wow, to open this, it's gonna be more fun.
Mafan.
No wonder you don't want to do alone.
I build with people, always got problem.
Oh, so I'm not the most difficult lah.
No, you're the most difficult. But always got problem one. Okay, let's go. Wow, look at that, man. Look at that fit, man. It's not done yet, but let's see. Okay, you ready? Okay, you press. Turn on.
Boom! Helicopter. 3, 2.
No light.
Nice. Oh, there. No? Where? What am I supposed to see? Yeah. Hey, cool eh?
I think one thing is that the front should have the fans and then have the color.
Yeah.
Here's a question for you. What are you gonna do with this PC?
I'm gonna play games, gonna edit.
What games?
Minecraft, 42. Okay, the thing is, I could have been a gamer if I had a computer. Now I'm gonna start my journey as a gamer. Maybe next thing you know, I can name me more games.
Say a game that is at least trendy.
Valorant.
Okay, you're gonna play Valorant.
Valorant.
Nice. You will come back in next week or next 2 weeks to see the progress and also try it, okay? So with editing magic, we're going to cut 3, 2, 1. So it's been 2 weeks. I've actually done my reservist, my last reservist, so I don't need to serve already.
Nice.
Nice, yes. What other updates? August Go Army came out.
Yeah.
And we watched it.
Good. Yeah. So what do you do with the computer?
Okay, so basically, I did a live stream. The live stream now will be unlisted when this video is out. We mentioned about the fan. So I changed the fan position, so now you can see the fan.
Yes.
Helicopter.
Oh wow! What the wiring?
Yeah, I did the wiring. You can come back and see the wiring. It's a lot better. Not my best.
This is good. Wow, the difference.
Yeah. Let's say if this video gets 100k views, which I don't think it will lah, because this video was supposed to tie nicely with August Go Army. But now I don't really have much hope.
It's okay, maybe.
But never mind, Ah Boys to Men.
Ah Boys to Men.
Maybe he still can hold up that legacy.
Legacy.
But hopefully this video does good so that I can redo this PC. What I really want to do is, imagine we really do like pixelated camera. You know, like pixelated skin.
But this is also cool. It looks like a tiger.
It looks cool, but not Singapore lah.
Not Singapore enough.
Yeah. Hey, before we turn on the PC, I want to do a very interesting test. Since you are Ah Boys 2 men and you have been to the army before, you have worn this before, I want to see if you know how to put on and take off a long fall. Okay, I'm not saying do
long
smart
fall.
fall.
Long fall.
Just put on and then take out. Yeah, put on button and then after that unbutton take out.
Oh, I'm fat.
Okay, so you put on and then when you're done, you let me know, I inspect. Not bad, okay. Now, take out. Oh, you did the job. It's out. Can see that you didn't like go out the field. So basically, you take out the sleeve already. You want to take out, right? All you have to do is this.
Oh! That's only button, right?
Yeah.
Then why? Okay, it's button already.
Button, right?
Okay.
Then just.
I never knew it. Really?
Okay, back to the PC. Okay.
Yeah.
So the last time we saw this PC, the fan was behind.
Yeah.
Remember the fan color or not?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, so what do you think the best color for this PC would be?
Don't know, purple, blue, pink.
Green.
Whoa!
Right.
Green.
Okay, some problems with Valorant, so we're gonna play CSGO instead. We're going to do workshop map, which is aim cost 2. Okay, so what aim cost 2 is, you're gonna go through basically scenarios, gonna clear rooms. You want to do it as fast as possible.
As fast as possible.
Okay, go.
Let's roll.
They're not dead. Okay, yeah, one hit shot. Okay. Still got. One more. Right, you don't need to go so far. Your bullets can travel. That one inside. Yeah, one is there. Okay, very nice.
Huh?
You got flashed.
What do I do?
Wait. Okay, go. Left. Yeah, one. Reload. You don't need. The bullets can travel. Next room. Turn right. Yes. Okay. Turn left. Yes. Go through. Open the doors. You see. Open.
How press?
E. I die already. E. Okay. E. Okay. E. Okay. Okay. Next. I said don't move and shoot. Flash again. You need to spray control. Right side got one. Right side. Okay.
Wow, this one reminds me of Aga Go Aga. There's a scene. Alright.
Yes. Okay, behind. Go. Then press E. Okay. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Your accuracy is 52%. I'm gonna try one time.
Okay.
You see how I play?
Okay.
And then how about later you do it again?
Okay.
Same settings as you. I'm not gonna change anything. I'm gonna use the same gun. Ready? Alright, I can stop and then shoot. Stop, shoot. Move it. 1 minute 27 seconds. Not my best, but it's 1 minute faster than you. Tap. Yeah. Press. Improvement lah. Not below 2 minutes, but improvement.
So bad.
Thank you so much, Ridhwan, for joining me in this very interesting and don't know what disastrous PC build is this. It's like everything that can go wrong really go wrong. So here's the rundown, okay, of how it has went wrong. First, so we built the PC, right? And a lot of problems. The GPU cannot fit lah, must go.
That's another problem.
The GPU have to put from behind. CPU cooler cannot fit. The big one then have to change. Well, I put the fans wrongly.
Yeah.
So what?
The paint job.
Another problem, I have to go reservice. My reservice, right, is not like relaxed one. I needed to go outfield for 3 days, so I cannot work. I book out, supposed to shoot on Saturday, overslept.
Yeah.
Never mind. I said, you know what? How about Monday? Today is Monday. Chinese New Year Eve. How about at night? I was like, bro, I got reunion dinner, bro. Before that, got another problem.
What?
Watching Argus go army. Then after that, software problem. But you know what? It all worked out.
Yeah.
It all worked out. So thank you so much, Ridhwan, for joining me. I hope that you learned something today.
And then, in for the hit.
Ah,
I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you, Aftershock.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, Aftershock. Oh, yeah.
too long already, sia. Too long. This video is too long. But yeah, thank you, Aftershock, for sponsoring the PC components.
Yeah.
If you want something similar to this, I don't think they don't do paint jobs lah, but they can get this case for you if you request it. But everything, the components, everything except the case, very easy for them to get. Yeah, so very special thanks to Aftershock once again, and I guess we're done lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a PC now. I'm a gamer.